Ever felt like your business communication is a tangled mess of missed calls, clunky interfaces, and hidden fees? Like you're trying to build a skyscraper with popsicle sticks? You're looking for that unified communication platform, the magic bullet that'll streamline everything, make your team sing in harmony, and maybe even let you take a nap without worrying about dropping the ball. But then you stumble into the world of VoIP, and suddenly you're drowning in acronyms, features, and promises. RingCentral versus 8x8. It's like choosing between two superheroes, right? Both powerful, both promising to save the day. But which one actually fits your specific brand of chaos? Let's be real, you're not here for a marketing pitch. You're here because you need to know, in plain English, which one of these communication giants is going to make your life easier, not harder. So, let's cut through the noise and get down to brass tacks. We're going to dive deep, compare apples to, slightly different apples, and figure out which one is the right fit for your business. First, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're running a fast-paced, customer-centric business. Every missed call, every delayed message, every clunky video conference is a potential lost customer, a dent in your reputation. You need a platform that's not just reliable, but also flexible, scalable, and intuitive. You need something that grows with you, not something that forces you to adapt to its limitations. Now, both RingCentral and 8x8 offer a comprehensive suite of communication tools. We're talking cloud-based phone systems, video conferencing, team messaging, and contact center solutions. They're both heavy hitters in the unified communications as a service, UCaaS, arena. But, like any two superheroes, they have their own unique strengths and weaknesses. Let's start with RingCentral. Think of it as the polished all-rounder. It's known for its user-friendly interface, extensive integrations, and robust feature set. RingCentral excels at integrating with your existing business tools, like Salesforce, Google Workspace, and Microsoft 365. This means seamless workflows, automated tasks, and a more streamlined communication experience. If you're looking for a platform that plays well with others, RingCentral is definitely worth considering. RingCentral's strength also lies in its scalability. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, RingCentral can adapt to your needs. Their tiered pricing plans offer flexibility, allowing you to choose the features and services that are right for your business. And their customer support is generally considered to be top-notch, with multiple channels available to get you the help you need. Now, let's talk about 8x8. 8x8 is often touted as the more cost-effective option, especially for businesses with global communication needs. They have a strong focus on international calling and support, with competitive rates and extensive global coverage. If your business operates across multiple countries, 8x8's international capabilities could be a major advantage. 8x8 also boasts a strong contact center solution, with advanced features like AI-powered analytics and omnichannel routing. This makes it a compelling option for businesses that prioritize customer service. However, some users have reported that 8x8's interface can be a bit less intuitive than RingCentral's, and that its integrations are not as extensive. So how do you choose? Well, it boils down to your specific needs and priorities. Pricing and plans. Let's break down the money talk. RingCentral typically offers a wider range of tiered pricing plans, catering to different business sizes and needs. While their entry-level plans might be slightly more expensive than 8x8's, they often include more features and integrations. 8x8, on the other hand, is known for its competitive pricing, especially for international calling. However, their feature set might be more limited in their lower-tier plans. It's crucial to thoroughly compare the features included in each plan to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Don't just look at the price tag. Look at the long-term cost of scaling and integration. Features and functionality. Both platforms offer a comprehensive suite of features, including cloud-based phone system. Both offer advanced call management features, like call routing, call recording, and voicemail to email. Video conferencing. Both offer high-quality video conferencing with screen sharing, virtual backgrounds, and meeting recording. Team messaging. Both offer real-time team messaging with file sharing, group chats, and task management. Contact center solutions. Both offer robust contact center solutions with features like omnichannel routing, IVR, and reporting. However, there are some key differences. RingCentral's interface is generally considered to be more user-friendly and intuitive, making it easier for employees to adopt and use. RingCentral also boasts a wider range of integrations with third-party applications, which can streamline workflows and improve productivity. 8x8, while offering a strong contact center solution, might require a bit more training for employees to fully utilize its features. International calling and support. If your business operates across multiple countries, 8x8's international calling capabilities could be a major advantage. They offer competitive rates and extensive global coverage. RingCentral also offers international calling, but their rates and coverage might not be as competitive as 8x8's. Customer support. Both RingCentral and 8x8 offer multiple channels for customer support, including phone, email, and chat. However, RingCentral is generally considered to have a more responsive and helpful support team. 8x8 support can be hit or miss depending on region and the complexity of the problem. Scalability and flexibility. Both platforms are scalable, meaning they can grow with your business. However, RingCentral's tiered pricing plans offer more flexibility, allowing you to choose the features and services that are right for your business. 8x8's pricing plans might be less flexible, but they offer competitive rates for businesses with global communication needs. Integrations. RingCentral excels at integrations. It integrates with a massive amount of business apps. This can save your team hours per week in data entry and app switching. 8x8 has integrations but not to the same degree as RingCentral. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.